Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore make.com scenarios after deployment failures, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your make.com account. Navigate to the dashboard where your scenarios are displayed. Locate the scenario that experienced the deployment failure. Click on the scenario to access its details. In the scenario detail view, find the error message indicating the failure. Make a note of the specific error code or message. Next, click on the Edit button to modify the scenario. Review each module within the scenario for potential issues. Check connections between modules to ensure they are properly configured. Look for any missing fields or incorrect data in the modules. Adjust any settings that may have caused the failure. Once you have made the necessary corrections, save the scenario. After saving, proceed to run the scenario in test mode. Monitor the test execution for any new error messages. If the scenario runs successfully in test mode, you are ready to deploy it again. Return to the main dashboard and select the scenario once more. Click on the Deploy button to redeploy the corrected scenario. Monitor the deployment status to confirm it has been successful. If issues persist, consult the make.com support documentation for troubleshooting tips. You can also seek assistance from the community forums for additional guidance. Once everything is confirmed working, your scenario should now be fully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.